CVS. I'm going to try to take advantage of some of these amazing deals CVS has going on this week on beauty products. As some of you may know, there is a coupon printing off at the Red Box that is when you spend $100 on any beauty products, any brand, you will get $20 off instantly. I don't know if I'm going to be taking advantage of that deal today or not, because I didn't have a whole lot of time to get my scenarios together. But I am going to be bringing you some amazing deals on beauty products anyway. I don't know how often you guys go shopping at CVS. I try to go at least once a week. The shifts that I work third shift and I work 12-hour shifts. One week I work 5 days, the following week I only work 2. This happens to be my long week. So I was only off Wednesday and Thursday, and then I'll work all weekend. So I haven't had a whole lot of time to prepare for my couponing scenarios this week. But I do have some really amazing deals coming up that include some free items as well as some money makers. So make sure you stay tuned for the rest of this video so you can check out these amazing deals and take advantage of them yourself. I'll see you guys here in a few minutes once we get into CVS. Okay, so I'm going to start out in the oral care aisle today. The Crest toothpaste is on sale for $3. Plus, when you buy one, you're going to get $1 back in extra care bucks. Now, there is a 50-cent app-only coupon that I don't believe I have on this account. There's also a $2 off digital coupon attaching to this. If you have the app-only coupon, it's going to make this a 50-cent moneymaker. Because you're going to pay 50 cents out of pocket and then you're going to get $1 back. But I also have a $1 off any brand mouthwash toothpaste CRT, which it says for mouthwash, but it's attaching to the Crest, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. Either way, I'll pay $1 out of pocket and get $1 back, or it'll be $1 moneymaker for me, so we'll see. Okay, so now we're going to come over to the hair care aisle where the Head and Shoulders is on sale 2 for $12. Now when you spend $20 on these select hair care products, you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks, and I will be spending $20 today. I'm going to get 2 of the Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, they're on sale 2 for $12, and there's also a $3 off digital coupon. Also, I have a $4 off 18 hair care that I'm going to be using as well. So I'm going to get 2 of the Head and Shoulders. Also, the Herbal Essence Bio Renew is on sale 2 for $10. And again, when you spend $20, you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. So I'm going to be pairing the Herbal Essence with the Head and Shoulders. My total is going to be $22 before coupons, so I will meet the threshold to get that $5 back in extra care bucks. There's also a digital coupon for $5 off 2 Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so that's everything that I'm going to be getting so far. Okay, so the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. When you buy 2, you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. You can do this a couple of different ways. Since I'm already using my $4 off 18 hair care, I'm just going to get this by itself. So for 2 of them, we're going to use the $4 off 2 from the March 1st Retail Me Not, as well as the $2 off 2 CRT from last week. We're going to pay a total of $3.98 out of pocket, and we're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. Okay, so at the Redbox machine, I received a $2 off CVS Health brand tampons, pads, and liners, and it looks like there's no restriction on it. So I'm going to use this to get the pack of 20 CVS brand panty liners for $1.49. That should make these free. Okay, so the Almay Cosmetics, when you spend $12, you're going to get $4 back in extra care bucks. We also had a $3 off Almay CRT that printed for everybody at the Red Box machine. So I'm going to take advantage of this deal and I'm going to be getting one of the pack of Almay wipes for $6.79. And then I'm also going to be getting one of the Almay makeup remover little towelettes for $6.59. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of the $3 off 2 makeup remover coupons from the March 1st Retail Me Not. I am going to be using this $3 off CRT, and I'm also going to be using the $3 off 10 cosmetic CRT that was emailed to my account. It's going to make my total is going to be $4.38 out of pocket, but I am going to get $4 back in extra care bucks, so I'm only going to pay 38 cents for the makeup remover wipes. Okay, so this is everything I'm going to be getting for this transaction. Okay, so here's my receipt from CVS. Now, the $2 off L'Oreal hair care, it was from last week, the CRT. It would not accept it, and she did not offer to push it through. Probably because it expired on the 10th, but some CVS's will let you use the coupons for up to, I think, 6 days after their expiration date. But anyway, so here is my receipt, the Herbal Essence, the Head and Shoulders, the $2 off CVS brand pads or tampons. That CRT did come off. It attached just fine. The L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, the Almay makeup remover wipes, and little cleansing towelettes. Down here, my $3 off for the Almay came off, my $4 off for the L'Oreal Elvive, and then also a $3 off digital came off for the L'Oreal Elvive as well, so that did turn that into a moneymaker. So even though my $2 off CRT did not come off, the $3 digital attached as well as the paper coupon. My $5 off digital for Herbal Essence came off. My $3 for the Head and Shoulder came off. My $4 off 18 hair care CRT that I printed came off. The $3 off 10 cosmetic coupon that was emailed to me did come off. My $3 off Almay CRT, the $2 off for pads and tampons, which it actually only took $1.49 off because that's how much they were. The Crest toothpaste ended up being a moneymaker for me. I had right here, a $2 off coupon for Crest at the digital coupon. And then I also had a $1 off CRT for mouthwash on my card that attached when I scanned the Crest. So the Crest was a $1 moneymaker for me. It actually didn't cost me anything out of pocket. I used extra care bucks to pay for most of this transaction, $17 in extra care bucks. So my subtotal was 36 cents. Total savings of 99%. And I got back $5 for the spending $20 on the Herbal Essence. $5 for the L'Oreal hair care. $1 for the Crest toothpaste, $4 for the Almay. So, 11. So I got back $15 in extra care bucks. So, averages out, I paid about $4 for everything that I got. And I also had some extra coupons print off at the bottom of my receipt. $5 off 10 CVS brand, $2 off 7, $3 off 20 healthcare products, $5 off the Boost protein shakes, which I'm hoping will go on sale again in the next week or two. $2.50 off Tresemme, $3 off Revlon tools, and $3 off L'Oreal eye makeup, $3 off teeth whitening. So yeah, I got a lot of coupons to print at the bottom of my receipt. All in all, a savings of 99%. I am pretty happy with that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button for me. It really means a lot to me, and it helps other people be able to see my videos as well. And if you would like to be the first to find out about these amazing deals, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and make sure your notifications are turned on, so you will be the first to find out about these amazing deals that I post. And until my next video, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.